The Nueces County judge has now asked the Texas Rangers to investigate after allegations that the county public works director used county equipment and manpower to do a job for someone in his family.
Our Michael Gibson was at the commissioners' meeting earlier today and has tonight's top story.
This is a cover-up. This whole thing is a cover-up.
No evidence indicates anything at all. So
that's County Judge Barbara Canales right after she adjourned Commissioners Court during a highly contentious and accusation-laden meeting.
Excuse me, sir.
Call somebody a criminal?
Nobody's doing that.
Yes, you did.
Nobody's doing that.
In executive session, you did. You know, you call him a criminal, you call him he committed fraud, you did all this
No.
stuff. Defamation of character. Yes,
No.
you did.
No.
Well,
No.
I guarantee you.
I'm going to ask the, excuse me, Deputy, we're going to have order here, okay?
This public meeting focused on County Public Works Director Juan Pimentel. He asked commissioners to have this meeting in the open and not behind closed doors. County Judge Barbara Canales had already asked the Texas Rangers to investigate Pimentel. That after she says she received photos and allegations that he had ordered county workers back in February to use county equipment to do drainage work in front of his father's home in Robstown. The result was a brand new dirt driveway leading up to the home's paved drive. The public works director told the court that his father's home wasn't the only house in the neighborhood where county workers were trying to improve the drainage system.
That's the question.
If you look at the photos, we did other work within Red Rock in order to alleviate the drainage problems on the upstream side of that subdivision.
While county commissioners had some of the information on this case in front of them, they definitely wanted to know more. And they wanted to know, did the public works director go ahead and send county equipment to his dad's house and do work there, especially for him and not everyone else? Later, Commissioner Brent Chesney did ask Mr. Pimentel a series of questions about whether or not there was any wrongdoing on his part.
did you do anything improper here?
No, sir.
Was this in the normal course of business?
Yes, sir.
The back and forth questioning continued, and a number of times those exchanges were so heated that Pimentel's attorney was at wit's end.
You know, we want to help you get to the bottom of this, but you don't want to get to the bottom of it. So make a decision procedurally how you are going to proceed, and I will play that game. But I need to know what the rules are, and you're not telling us what the rules are. So when that is answered, then I'll answer you.
Okay, sir, you can get your composure.
County Judge Barbara Canales had wanted the county to hire an independent investigator to gather all the facts in his case. That motion passed and then was eventually reversed. In the end, Commissioner Brent Chesney made a motion that the court would make no finding of wrongdoing today, but if something came up later on, they would reconsider. All the commissioners, along with the county judge, agreed with that motion.
There have been nothing presented to the Commissioner's Court that has shown anything wrong with my client. He is an upstanding citizen. He is a great asset to this county.
I do believe at the end of the day, everybody was heard and the court's will was done.
They may have a different opinion on what.
Now the only question seems to be about that Texas Ranger investigation and what, if anything, criminal it may find in the case. Michael Gibson, 3 News.